Psalm 31. In you, O Lord, I have taken refuge. Let me never be ashamed. Deliver me in your righteousness. Bow down your ear to me. Deliver me speedily. Be my strong rock, for a house of defense to save me. For you are my rock and my fortress. Therefore, for your name's sake, lead me and guide me. Pull me out of the net that they have laid secretly for me, for you are my strength. Into your hand I commit my spirit. You have redeemed me, O Lord God of truth. I have hated those who regard worthless idols, but I trust in the Lord. I will be glad and rejoice in your loving kindness, for you have seen my affliction. You have known the distress of my soul, and have not given me over into the hand of the enemy. You have set my feet in a broad place. Be gracious to me, O Lord, for I am in distress. My eye is wasted from grief, my soul and my body also. For my life is spent with sorrow, and my years with sighing. My strength fails because of my iniquity, and my bones are wasted away. Because of all my adversaries I have become a reproach, especially to my neighbors, and a dread to my acquaintances. Those who see me outside flee from me. I am forgotten as a dead man out of mind. I am like a broken vessel. For I have heard the slander of many. Fear is on every side. While they took counsel together against me, they schemed to take away my life. But I trusted in you, O Lord, I said, You are my God. My times are in your hand. Deliver me from the hand of my enemies and from those who persecute me. Make your face to shine on your servant. Save me in your loving kindness. Let me not be ashamed, O Lord, for I have called on you. Let the wicked be ashamed, and let them be silent in the grave. Let the lying lips be put to silence, which speak insolent things proudly and contemptuously against the righteous. Oh, how great is your goodness, which you have laid up for those who fear you, which you have prepared for those who trust in you in the presence of the sons of men. You shall hide them in the secret place of your presence from the plots of man. You shall keep them secretly in a shelter from the strife of tongues. Blessed be the Lord, for he has shown me his marvelous loving kindness in a strong city. For I said in my haste, I am cut off from before your eyes. Nevertheless you heard the voice of my supplications when I cried to you. Oh, love the Lord, all you his saints. The Lord preserves the faithful, but fully repays the proud indeed. Be strong, and let your heart take courage, all you who hope in the Lord. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to do so. It really helps to continue providing you with amazing videos like this.